Alright, guys, it's going to be intense. This is definitely going to be intense. We got Xiphoid Xcalibur taking on Blizzard Thrasher with the upgraded mode. So, let's see how this goes. So, Blizzard Thrasher taking on Xiphoid Xcalibur. Let's see how this goes. Alright, let's go take on Xiphoid. Big hit. Ooh, big hit the wings. Wings are out. Ooh, big hit. Oh my god. It flapjacked it, alright? But it did get almost a half a click off of it, alright? The last one. It had the nerve to flapjack Xiphoid. That was not a good launch. Alright. Boom. And boom. There we go. Xiphoid impact. There we go. Big hit. Big hit. And ooh, Thrasher got it by a little bit. Alright, that's 2. Alright, boom. Get him with the Xiphoid impact. Alright, come on. Come on, Xiphoid. Circling around like that. Big hit. Going for the right time to attack. Uh-oh. Oh, gotta stay on balance. Gotta stay in balance. But Thrasher still takes it. Dang, that's 3. Alright. Boom. Boom. Oh my. It still flapjacks it. Damn, bro. I'm actually gonna leave that in there because that was kind of sick, actually. Alright, but that's 4 though, so if Blizzard takes it again, then it's over. Oh my, dude, that recoil. Dude, that recoil. Okay, now that recoil was sick. Okay. Okay, that recoil though. Okay, well I guess Thrasher just takes it. Yeah, it's showing the power of Thrasher big time, especially with the second mode. It it didn't even play nothing. It just knocked it out like it was nothing, bro. Damn, that's crazy. But anyways, Blizzard Thrasher taking the win over Xiphoid here. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure to smash that down below. Let me subscribe some epic content because I will make sure you know about capture again. But that's how it is. Your boy comes on off. Says the next much. I say also go shoot out of here.